So this is an interactive whiteboard on a trolley with casters. You'll all have seen these kind of things before. Great for technical discussions, but also great for huddle spaces if you're wanting a Teams meeting. So let me show you how, with the addition of a camera and a microphone array, we can use this for Teams calling. So here's the board now in a Teams call. It has a microphone array and a camera at the top. It's fantastically flexible, can be used in probably 6 metre by 6 metre room comfortably, slightly larger if you've got good acoustics, and that's something you really need to think about with your rooms. What are the acoustics like? What is the lighting like? Because the cameras and the microphones that are built in are a little bit limited compared to some of the more advanced stuff. So again, great for a huddle space, great for potentially a small meeting room.